Good afternoon, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day, and hello from Epcot. So, we have a major update regarding Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, so I want to go have a look at that first. I also want to have a few construction updates around the park, and finally, I want to go try a few dishes from Festival of the Arts. So, let's not waste any more time. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. First things first, I have to pick up my festival passport for today. It is a gloomy day today here at Epcot. Wow, wow, wow. Do you guys see how massive this starship is? Holy cow. Let me get a little closer and switch over to my zoom lens. Oh my goodness, look at that ship. Look at the details. Incredible. Looks like they are putting the final touches on the ship now. This just started going up probably about 2 days ago. Disney is not wasting any time. Here's a different angle. Look how cool that looks. It looks incredible live in person. Man, if you guys did not know, I am one of the biggest fans of Guardians of the Galaxy. Probably my favorite Marvel movies of all time. Monorail shot. I'm just kind of letting the camera run right now because there's just so much to look at. Looking at the Q building, they still have a little bit of work to do. And then the actual show building where the coaster is the giant blue building off in the distance back there. This is going to have a reverse launch. You will launch backwards. Here's what the front looks like. It looks like they are working on the front as we speak. We can see a little bit more of the Q building. This just looks awesome. I actually got to go inside of the show building and I got to see the coaster live in person. I couldn't film anything, but it was something to see. I just can't wait to ride it. Opening this summer. We don't have an official opening date just yet, but it's looking good. I've just been standing here for about 10 minutes just kind of taking it all in, taking some photos and some video for the vlog, but I've been noticing so many people stopping to take photos and just checking out the progress of this roller coaster. It's coming together. More than Tron. I mean, it's just crazy that this is going to open before Tron over at the Magic Kingdom. There's also a few construction workers on the roof right now. Here's one last angle. Just incredible. Man, if this does not make you excited, I don't know what will. Only a few more months. And this starship is called the Nova Corp Star Blaster ship. When this is all done, it's going to stand at 51 feet tall. This made my day. Just by seeing this, I just can't believe it. You know, I've been seeing this built from the ground up. I remember riding Ellen's Energy Adventure, and now it's Guardians of the Galaxy. Not that far away, we have the former home of the temporary Mouse Gear. This is going to be an all-new quick service restaurant. It's looking good. Lots of construction happening right now. We still don't have an official opening date. To be honest with you guys, I have no idea what's happening with this interactive city. We have not heard anything. Well, I wanted to have a quick ride on Test Track, but it's currently down at the moment. We have some artwork on the construction walls here, celebrating 50 years of magic. Look at this cool Haunted Mansion piece of artwork. That one's cool too. Look at Orange Bird right there. Let's go ahead and talk about the big elephant in the room, the Figment popcorn bucket that people waited over 6 hours for. Unbelievable. That's one of the reasons why I decided not to come on opening day, just because it was insane for that popcorn bucket. I would never wait that long for a popcorn bucket. So, I don't think I'm going to be doing a full detailed video on Festival of the Arts just because honestly, Festival of the Arts isn't my favorite festival. I'm more of a flower and garden type of guy myself. Well, no surprise here. The Figment Premium Popcorn Bucket, currently unavailable. It is sold out. Those darn resellers. And it was located here at the PopEats booth Here's a quick look at their menu. Looks pretty much the same as in years past. I've been hearing really good things about this food booth, the deconstructed dish. I am going to get the deconstructed French onion soup and the deconstructed key lime pie. All right, here is my deconstructed French onion soup. That's nice and warm because it's a little chilly today, so that's good. And then my deconstructed key lime pie. Look how weird that looks. I also like the few hidden Mickeys we can see out of the raspberry sauce. They both look really good. Let's give them a try. This dish is actually pretty cool. So it's like a dumpling, and then inside of that you have the broth. I will say, I really enjoyed this deconstructed French onion soup dish. Like, it was very unique and different, and it was tasty. It was nice and warm just because it is a little chilly today, so that was nice. I really liked how it was kind of like a dumpling, and it had all the soup and broth and the onions and good stuff inside of that dumpling. So I recommend that dish. That was really good. I may get that again in the future. Interesting. Okay, so I will say I was a little wrong about this key lime pie deconstructed dish. It's actually pretty good. However, it's kind of cool because you have to kind of put everything together to make it taste like a key lime pie. And that's clever because that's the whole point of that food booth. Very good. What in the world? Minnie Mouse is out walking around people again. Entertainment is slowly starting to finally come back. Hi, Minnie. Good to see you again. Thank you. Check out some of the Disney fine art that you can purchase here. Chip and Dale. I like this Lilo and Stitch one. Also Mickey and Minnie in Paris. Genie. Kermit. Oh, these are fun. Especially this one. I like it. I love this Toy Story piece of artwork here. It's called Cast of Toys for $595. That's awesome. This one is called Joy and Sadness for $150. This one is called Painting of Lights with Rapunzel, $550. I also really like this one. It's called Beautiful Day at the Beach for $595. Look at this. We have an artist hard at work right now. Looks like he is making a villain's piece of artwork. By the way, look at this Haunted Mansion one. I like that a lot. Also this Genie one. I could smell the maple popcorn all the way by the start of the World Showcase. It smells so good. Ooh, look at this from Joffrey's. They have a colorful canvas cold brew for $6.39. A sweet, creamy cold brew topped with whipped cream and fruity cereal. I have to say, I absolutely love meeting you guys. Like, it just makes my day, and literally I've met probably 20 of you guys today alone, so it's just all around been a very good day. They have a food booth from Encanto, my favorite Disney movie right now. I am in love with that film, the music. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. Ooh, that empanada sounds good. Coconut and passion fruit smoothie. There's the family. There's Bruno with his rats. I was going to hop in line, but it's a little long at the moment, so I will definitely come back because I've also heard really good things about this booth as well. Oh, that's a beautiful piece of artwork right there. I'm now passing through Japan, and they have brought back the sushi donut. That's really neat. You know, seeing things like this really makes me wish I did like seafood like that, but it's back, it's here. And the line to get a sushi donut is pretty intense. Something else that's pretty cool about this festival is PhotoPass has really cool photo opportunities where you can actually enter the artwork. Look at this, Disney brought back the spin art this year, where you basically just hop on the bicycle and you do your own spin artwork. Look at that. One experience, $19, two experiences, $30. Something pretty cool to do with the entire family. It is so busy today here inside of Epcot. There's really not a dead season anymore here at Walt Disney World either. What the quack? Donald Duck is back in Mexico doing socially distant meet and greets. That's cool. So good to see him back here. I stopped inside the creation shop to see if I can find any new merchandise and/or the festival merchandise, but check these 2 shirts out for Valentine's Day. Googly Bear, Schmootsy Poo from Monsters Inc. That's cute. Also, on the other side, we have his and her t-shirts from Hercules. I found a few pieces of Festival of the Arts merchandise, but these are for pass holders. Look at this t-shirt for $39.99. Nothing on the back. I like the kind of tie-dye look to it. There's also a hoodie here for $44.99. There's nothing on the back, but on the sleeve, it says pass holder. There's also a new magic band for the festival. Look at that. That's neat. Also for $12.99, look at this new Harmonious pin. We have some new Dooney and Burks for Valentine's Day. Very nice. There's also a bigger tote. And the bigger tote is $328. And the smaller one, is there a price? $298. There's also a matching wallet, $168 for the wallet or the wristlet. That was a little odd because I really did not see any festival merchandise. I know you can find it around the World Showcase, but I'm just starting to run out of time. I definitely want to come back because I did find some really good dishes on the menus around the World Showcase. So stay tuned for some more Festival of the Arts coverage. But honestly, this was the highlight of my day. I know the other day when I was doing my Ultimate Central Florida Theme Park Challenge, I showed you guys these new Disney strollers, and these are the single strollers, but here's our first look at the double strollers. They're nice. I like them. Disney needed new strollers because those other ones were, not that great. This video is sponsored by Mickeytravels. If you're looking to book your next Disney vacation, go get your free quote today from Mickeytravels.com, as they never charge you anything to book your next Disney vacation, and they are one of the select few travel agencies in the world that are platinum earmarked by Disney themselves. Go visit my friends down in the description, click on the link for your next Disney vacation. All right, my friends, that's gonna do it for today's video. I know today was a quick video, but I just had a few hours. I was scrolling on Instagram and I noticed the Starship was pretty much done for Guardians of the Galaxy. So I was like, heck yeah, let me get over here and see it. I also got to try a few dishes from Epcot's International Festival of the Arts. I really enjoyed the deconstructed French onion soup and the deconstructed key lime pie. I do think I may try to come back with Bianca at some point because as I was walking around the World Showcase, I did notice some really good food options. But I had a really good day. Like, I came in with no plans. I got to see Guardians of the Galaxy. I ate some good food. I gave you guys some construction updates. I met so many of you guys today. It was just an awesome day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, because it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. I love you guys, and YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out. Goodbye.
I am feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside.